Hi! Today we will learn to make these pretty poppies. For making a petal, I'm using 3mm strips which are 14 inches long. Join 2 strips and make a crimped strip using crimping tool. Now we will use husking board and pins. Put the pins in the holes of the board like this. I'm putting 5 pins on each side from the central pin. Now take the crimped strip and watch the moves of the strip carefully. While jumping on the opposite side, always stick the strip at the bottom point. Continue to take the rounds of strip like this and finally wrap the remaining strip as a border of the petal. Gently remove it from husking board and your petal is ready. Make such 4 petals and join them. Take it in your palm and gently push it to give a nice shape. Now I have joined 1.5 5mm strip of cream color to make a tight coil of it. Give a little dome shape and seal the shape using glue. Take a 10mm black strip and give fringe cut. Now wrap this strip around the tight coil. Open the cuts. Stick it to the center. I'm using golden acrylic color pen, however you can paint with white color with brush also. Making small lines on dome using black sketch pen. Let it dry completely. You can use these poppy flowers in greeting cards, frames, etc. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching.